Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna make some art using foam clay. It has some vibrant colors and comes with these 3 tools. So without any further ado, let's jump right in.
Stumble home at almost dawn, wishing I was the reckless one. And you had the nerve to shrug. You said, I'm skipping town a couple months. Picked up all your late night calls, took your crumbs, then none at all. Gotta feel disposable. Slide down the door, I second guess if all this tenderness was even real. I guess that my Achilles heel was hoping you could see me as more than just the way I make you feel. Oh my coyote, you belong to nobody, nobody. So why are you howling to nobody?
Please assemble it only when the clay dries out completely, otherwise something like this would happen. I had to remove them with a tweezer and make them again. Let them sit for about 20 plus hours to be on the safe side.
Made me mixtapes that you think I like. Win my trust and steal my heart just like a thief in the night. And you know the sweetest words to say. Up until you're bored of hunting prey. 'Cause what felt like solid gold has slowly turned to rust. Won't be hanging on when you decide to care enough.
So what you can do is shake the bottle to place them accordingly. I wanted to make their faces visible, or you can use a brush handle to do the same.
So why are you howling?
Let's see how they turn out.
Nobody but me. Oh my coyote, you belong to nobody, nobody.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it and see you in the next one.